In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever found yourself recreating the same reminder over and over, like paying bills, checking reports, or watering plants, recurring tasks will save you time and keep you consistent. Start by opening Microsoft To Do on your PC and head to the list where you want the task to live. This could be your default list or a specific project list. Keeping related tasks in the same place makes them easier to find and manage later. Add a new task by typing its name into the box at the top and pressing Enter. Keep the wording clear and action-oriented, like Submit Weekly Status Report or Water the Front Garden. After you create it, click the task to open its details pane on the right. This is where all the scheduling options live. In the Details pane, select Add Due Date and choose the first date you want this task to be due. This initial due date is important because it anchors the repeat schedule. Once you pick a due date, you'll notice a new option appear called Repeat. Click that. Now choose how often you want the task to recur. If it needs to happen every day, choose Daily. For tasks like weekly planning or a recurring meeting prep, choose Weekly. If it's something like rent or a monthly report, pick Monthly. Annual items, like renewing a subscription, fit under Yearly. And if none of those fit perfectly, choose Custom. With Custom, you can set patterns like every 2 days, every 3 weeks, or every other month, depending on what makes sense for your routine. After you select the repetition that suits your task, you're all set. From now on, when you check off the task as complete, Microsoft To Do automatically creates the next instance based on the schedule you chose. For example, if it's set to weekly, finishing it on Friday will generate the next one for the following Friday. If you don't see the repeat option, double-check that you've set a due date first because the repeat settings only appear after a date is chosen. Also, remember that a due date is about when the task should be finished, not necessarily the exact time to do it. If timing is important, consider keeping your task name specific so you always know what needs to happen and when. That's all it takes. By setting up recurring tasks this way, you'll reduce repetitive setup and keep your schedule on track automatically.